Now, how to actually join? Joining the UN Global Compact is actually quite easy. Next slide, please. The first step is to review the application guidelines. The second step is the preparation of your letter of commitment, or LOC as we call it. In this letter, your organization commits to the 10 principles and to together help us achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. You do not have to write this letter from scratch. There are templates available. And then the third step is to fill in the online application form. The global team then reviews your application, and upon successful acknowledgement of your application, I will reach out to you directly to welcome you to the Global Compact here in Australia. Next slide, please, Emilia. And here's a recap of how you can join the Global Compact. So again, you complete an application form, including a letter of commitment, which needs to be signed by the highest level executive. Then you complete a UNGCNA membership form. Contact us or me if you would like to discuss the initiative further or if you need help with your application. And once you've joined up, we'll get you set up with access to the UN Global Compact dashboard, the UNGCNA's participant area, and ensure that your logo and organization profile are on our website. And also at that moment, you will then have access to the academy, which we talked about before. And then join us as we work with you to meet your sustainability goals.